VeryDarkMan need to be arrested for misleading Nigerian on his comment on the issue of Sharia law. Seriously, uh, we want to call the attention of our security agency, most especially DSS. They should arrest VeryDarkMan and investigate him based on the comment he made on the Sharia law. Also use this opportunity to crush people like VeryDarkMan, because VeryDarkMan is also a bandit in the social media.
No be small thing, no be small thing, Nigerians. The Arewa Youth President, the person you just heard his voice now, the ones that just spoke now, the Arewa Youth President, is demanding that VDM should be arrested immediately for talking about the Oyo school children that were kidnapped. You know, VDM came out in one of his videos to say that's the demands of the bandits, that they said the government should pay them 1 billion and also Sharia law should be implemented in Oyo State. VDM actually spoke about that, and this is one of the reaction. I think this, let me say, this is the reaction from the Arewa Youth President. And the Arewa Youth now, I don't know what he's trying to do. If he's trying to maybe stir up the northern youth to cause problem or to cause riot or coerce in the country, this is just not right. I think this should not be done. VDM was not just talking about anything against the North. I guess in his opinion, he was trying to open the eyes of the people that to understand that the Muslim and the Christian does not hate each other, but just a little crop of them or a faction or a particular segmentation of Islamic religion that believe differently from the normal belief of a normal and moderate Muslim man are the ones causing this problem of Boko Haram and every other thing. And he spoke actually about Boko Haram and not just about the North. He was not directing it to the North. Nigerians, things are really happening. Let's listen to him.
VeryDarkMan need to be arrested for misleading Nigerian on his comment on the issue of Sharia law. Seriously, we want to call the attention of our security agency, most especially DSS. They should arrest VeryDarkMan and investigate him based on the comment he made on the Sharia law. We all know we are peaceful Nigerians and we obey the rules and regulations of this country. For VeryDarkMan to make such comment, he is trying to provoke the other side of the, or let me say, he's trying to provoke the other part of the country so that they should come after Northerners based on his comment he made on the Oyo kidnapping issue. This is not the first time VeryDarkMan has been provoking Nigerians. If you could remember, the last time there was attack in Plateau State, VDM went to Plateau State. He made such comment to the extent he provoked Plateau youth. After when he left Plateau State, the following day, they started killing each other in Plateau. So it's like, we don't know why VDM is always after Northern Nigerians. We don't know why VDM is always against the Northern Nigerians. Seriously, we want to use this opportunity to call the attention of our security agencies. The way they are crushing bandits, they should also use this opportunity to crush people like VeryDarkMan, because VeryDarkMan is also a bandit in the social media. Because we cannot tolerate such kind of people that will always cause trouble, will always cause confusion, will always try to provoke people so that they should stand fighting each other. So in this case, we want to call our people in the Northern Nigerian, most especially our youth in Northern Nigerian, they should all know that VeryDarkMan is the enemies of Northern Nigerian youth.
Do you think VDM should be arrested or not? Or do you think the Arewa Youth President is just speaking out of point and is kind of looking for a decoy for VDM to be arrested? What do you think? Drop your comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video to other of your friends and families so that they can know what is happening in Nigeria today. See you in my next video.